property life cycle about efficiency, reducing risk, and also how, you know, you can look at four-dimensional data to help that. It'd be great to get your perspective on that topic.
Obviously, construction is ever continuing, and the projects are getting larger and larger. Now, we've always been able to collect information on site, and that's what, you know, surveyors and site engineers are doing. But as these sites get bigger, the projects are getting more complex. The management teams are needing this data quickly in order to drive decision making, and that's where technology is really coming into play. It's bringing these efficiencies. So as long as you understand the limitations of whichever technology you're using, you know, we can save time and reduce risk massively on a construction site. We can cover, you know, 100 hectares easily in a day to centimetre accuracy and provide those deliverables in a matter of days, whereas previously it would have taken days on site with a team of surveyors to collect that data, and then more days on top to process and deliver, in which time the site on which that data is based has already changed because the projects are fast moving. So the efficiency is a big one, and the larger the area, the more complex the area, I think the bigger the benefit of drones and other technologies come to play. On the 4D side, though, this is a really big component. Now we're able to collect data more quickly, more consistently. The fourth dimension is time. So we can now monitor a project over time through the full life cycle, especially where construction is involved. So from planning through to design, the actual groundworks construction, all the way through to maintenance. Technology has a key part at every stage, and the companies that are embracing this at the moment are seeing huge gains and benefits and saving time and money and reducing risk across their projects. It's really is useful stuff when it's used properly.